Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So the big day is here for Android lovers. As you can see in my hand, I've got the USB with the new software that has the Android Auto in it. So let's go ahead and install the software on the GoldWing. I want to point out something very quickly before I start and show you the installation process, is that make sure you format your USB drives properly, and regardless you're using Windows or Mac, make sure you format in the correct format. You know, if it's a Mac, then you need to make sure it's MS-DOS extended. And so once they're formatted in the right format, you know, you'll be able to upload files to your USBs, which are great, more than 4 GB in size. So make sure you do that, and let's get started now and I'll show you the process. So this is day 2 of me attempting to install the Android Auto on my GoldWing. As you can see, I've got all the 3 things needed: the USB, the cable, USB-C, and my Android phone. Let's go ahead and attempt it this time. Hopefully it should work. So I twist it to the ignition to on, and then to the accessory mode here. Okay. And here I'll pull this out. Okay, so the USB is installed. It usually takes about a minute to appear. Hopefully, fingers crossed, this time it should work. And then let's see what happens. Come on, I'm waiting. Oh yeah, finally it's up here and running. Okay, do you want to update? The new version is HD ACM 200408 102800. Let's go ahead and click. So you can switch between this and this. You go on the left, click yes. Okay. And I guess it's updating now. Let's see how long it takes. I'm assuming it will take about a minute or 2. So there are total 9 files, and I'm on the last one, 99% complete. One thing I did mention before was like it takes 2 to 5 minutes. I have to correct myself there. It takes about 35 minutes. I started at 9 o'clock and it's about 9:35 right now. So the whole installation nearly took me 35 minutes to install the software on the GoldWing. So probably if you add another 15 minutes of downloading the software, I would say you need about 40 to 50 minutes before you can see anything. So look, it started installed, and let's see what appears up. Oh, perfect. It looks like it's all done. I see some changes here to the menu. We can probably like auto audio volume, speaker, so high, go back. Auto headset is high. Navigation, this is the new settings now, and I'll put that into the high. Auto volume is in high as well. Oh yeah, finally I can get rid of the beep sound. The annoying beep sound is pretty. Oh yeah, Android Auto plays there. Apple CarPlay is here. iPod, Apple CarPlay, iPod. Okay, interesting. Let's go ahead and plug in. I would like to see how the navigation is. Interesting. Oh, it's taking me to a totally different place. I guess it's in the US. It's showing me there right now. Once I get out of the garage, it will show me that I'm back to Toronto. So here's my phone connected to the USB cable. And as you can see, it gives me the message as soon as I connect it to enable it once or enable it always. I also have to mention I had to repair again my Bluetooth headset and everything else to make it work. Okay, so phone's prompted me to start it started. All right, so here the screen's up. So as you can see, I've got the Google Maps here, news, reminder, Waze. So there you go, folks. This is the installation of the new update of the navigation, which has the Android Auto now added to the GoldWing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.